Thank you for calling High Priority Plumbing. This is Brittany. How can I help you?
Yeah, do you guys have any ordained plumbers?
No, sir, but we have expert professional plumbers on staff 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Look, I have a plumbing emergency.
I understand, sir, and I will be glad to assist you with getting someone out to your home.
How soon can they get here?
Woo, I'm glad you called us for that got out of hand.
Oh, wow. Are you sure everything's okay?
Oh, yes, sir, we took care of it. Thank you for calling High Priority Plumbing, because at High Priority Plumbing, our customers are our priority.
You are my hero.